Hey everyone! Welcome to our tutorial on how to make money with Google Maps. If you're looking to make some extra cash, Google Maps can be a great tool to help you achieve your financial goals. In this video, we'll go over a few different ways you can make money with Google Maps. So, let's get started. Step 1. Create your own Google Maps listings. Let's talk about the first way you can make money with Google Maps, by creating your own Google Maps listings. This is a great way to make it easier for potential customers to find you, whether you have a business or a service that you offer. Creating a Google Maps listing is easy. Simply log in to your Google My Business account and click on Add Location or Add Business. From there, you'll need to fill out all the necessary information, including your business name, address, phone number, website, and hours of operation. But creating a listing is only half the battle. To make sure potential customers can find your listing, you need to optimize it with relevant keywords and accurate information. Think about what people might be searching for when they're looking for your business or service, and make sure those keywords are included in your listing. For example, if you're a bakery, you might want to include keywords like freshly baked bread or artisanal pastries in your listing. And if you have multiple locations, make sure you create a separate listing for each one. Make sure you also add photos and videos to your listing to make it more visually appealing and to give potential customers a better idea of what your business is all about. By optimizing your Google Maps listing with relevant keywords and accurate information, you'll improve your chances of showing up higher in search results, which means more potential customers will be able to find you. Creating your own Google Maps listing is a great way to make money, whether you have a business or a service that you offer. By optimizing your listing with relevant keywords and accurate information, you'll increase your visibility and attract more customers. So, get started today and create your own Google Maps listing. Step 2. Become a Google Maps local guide. If you're looking for ways to make money with Google Maps, becoming a local guide is a great option. As a local guide, you can provide reviews and information about local businesses, attractions, and events on Google Maps, and earn rewards for your contributions. Let's cover the steps to becoming a local guide and provide 4 examples of how you can make money with Google Maps as a local guide. Step 1. Sign up to become a local guide. The first step to becoming a local guide on Google Maps is to sign up for the program. You can do this by visiting the Google Maps website and clicking the Become a Local Guide button. From there, you'll need to create a Google account, provide some basic information about yourself, and agree to the terms and conditions of the program. Step 2. Start contributing. Once you're signed up as a local guide, it's time to start contributing. There are several ways you can contribute to Google Maps, including leaving reviews, adding photos, answering questions, and correcting inaccurate information on existing listings. Step 3. Earn points and level up. As you contribute more to Google Maps, you'll earn points for each contribution you make. The more points you earn, the higher your level as a local guide will be. Higher levels come with additional perks, such as early access to new features, exclusive events, and even a badge to show off your status as a top contributor. Now let's take a look at some examples of how you can make money with Google Maps as a local guide. Example 1. Get paid to review businesses. As a local guide, you can earn money by reviewing businesses. Some businesses may offer incentives, such as a free meal or a discount on services, in exchange for a review. Additionally, you can offer your services as a professional reviewer, where businesses pay you to write a review of their product or service. Example 2. Provide tourist guide services. If you live in a popular tourist destination, you can provide tourist guide services as a local guide. You can create custom maps and itineraries for tourists, provide recommendations for local attractions and restaurants, and even offer guided tours for a fee. Example 3. Monitor and manage online reviews. As a local guide, you can also offer your services to businesses as an online reputation manager. You can monitor and manage their online reviews on Google Maps, Yelp, and other platforms, and respond to negative reviews to improve their online reputation. Example 4. Offer photography services. If you have a talent for photography, you can offer your services as a local guide on Google Maps. You can take high-quality photos of local businesses and attractions and offer them for sale to businesses or to tourists looking for souvenirs. Becoming a local guide on Google Maps is a great way to make money while providing valuable information to potential customers. By leaving reviews, adding photos, answering questions, and correcting inaccurate information, you can earn rewards, level up, and establish yourself as a top contributor. And with the examples we've provided, you can see how you can use your skills and expertise to make money as a local guide on Google Maps. So, sign up today and start contributing. Step 3. Offer Google Maps optimization services. If you're looking for more ways to make money with Google Maps, offering optimization services to businesses is a great option. Many businesses struggle to optimize their Google Maps listings and may be willing to pay someone to help them improve their visibility. Let's now cover the steps to offering Google Maps optimization services and provide some tips on how to find potential clients. Plus, we'll give you 4 examples of how to offer these services. Step 1. Learn about Google Maps optimization. The first step to offering Google Maps optimization services is to learn about the process. You'll need to understand how Google Maps works, what factors influence a business's ranking on the platform, and how to optimize listings for maximum visibility. There are many online resources available to help you learn about Google Maps optimization, including blogs, videos, and online courses. Example 1. Take an online course to learn about Google Maps optimization. Udemy and Skillshare have many courses available. Step 2. Build your portfolio. Before you start offering your services to businesses, you'll need to build your portfolio. You can do this by optimizing your own Google Maps listings, or by offering your services to friends and family members in exchange for feedback and reviews. Make sure to document your work and gather testimonials from satisfied clients. Example 2. Offer your services for free to a local business in exchange for a testimonial and a review on Google Maps. Step 3. Find potential clients. Once you've built your portfolio, it's time to find potential clients. You can offer your services on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or you can reach out to businesses in your local area directly. Consider creating a website or social media page to showcase your services and make it easier for potential clients to find you. Example 3. Create a website to showcase your services and rank it on Google search results using SEO strategies. Step 4. Offer your services. When offering your Google Maps optimization services, it's important to be transparent about your process and pricing. You can offer a range of services, from basic optimization to ongoing management, depending on your client's needs. Make sure to communicate the benefits of Google Maps optimization, such as increased visibility, more traffic, and higher conversion rates. Example 4. Offer different packages of services such as basic optimization, ongoing management, and consulting services. This gives your clients the flexibility to choose what suits their business needs. Tips for finding clients. Offer free consultations or audits to potential clients to show them the value of your services. Attend networking events or conferences in your industry to meet potential clients. Reach out to businesses that have poorly optimized Google Maps listings or low rankings in search results. Offering Google Maps optimization services to businesses can be a lucrative way to make money while helping businesses improve their online presence. By learning about Google Maps optimization, building your portfolio, finding potential clients, and offering your services, you can establish yourself as an expert in this field and grow your business. So, get started today and help businesses improve their visibility on Google Maps. Step 4. Develop Google Maps-based apps. Do you have programming skills? You can take advantage of the Google Maps platform to create apps that offer value to users and generate revenue for yourself. One example of a Google Maps-based app is a gas price comparison tool. By using Google Maps data, you can create an app that helps users find the cheapest gas stations in their area. This app can generate revenue by displaying ads or by charging a fee for premium features. Another example is an app that helps users find free public Wi-Fi spots. This app can also use Google Maps data to display the locations of Wi-Fi hotspots and generate revenue through ads or premium features. You can also develop apps that help users find nearby restaurants, bars, or other businesses. These apps can use Google Maps data to display locations and reviews, and generate revenue through affiliate partnerships with businesses or ads. Remember, you can monetize your Google Maps-based app in a number of ways. Whether it's through ads, premium features, or affiliate partnerships, there are plenty of ways to generate revenue and turn your programming skills into a profitable venture. So, if you're a programmer looking to create a new app, consider leveraging the power of Google Maps to create something truly valuable and profitable. And remember, with Google Maps, the possibilities are endless. So, there you have it, folks. Those are just a few ways you can make money with Google Maps. Whether you're a business owner, a local guide, a marketer, or a developer, there's a way for you to use Google Maps to earn some extra cash. So, get started today and start making money with Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share.